In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a histogram in Microsoft Excel. We're going to walk through a quick and simple way to turn a list of score values into a histogram so you can easily see how your data is distributed. A histogram is useful when you want to understand how often values fall within certain ranges. Instead of looking at a long column of numbers, Excel can group those numbers for you and display them in a chart that's much easier to interpret. To get started, open your Excel file and make sure your score data is visible on the worksheet. You'll want to locate the column or range that contains the values you want to analyze. Before creating the chart, take a moment to confirm that you're selecting only the numerical values you want included in the histogram. This helps Excel build the chart correctly and keeps the results clear. Next, highlight the score values. Once the data is selected, go up to the ribbon and click the Insert tab. This is where Excel keeps the tools for adding charts and other visual elements to your spreadsheet. In the Insert tab, click Recommended Charts. A pop-up window will appear with different chart suggestions based on your selected data. When that window opens, switch to the All Charts tab so you can browse the full list of chart types available. On the left-hand side panel, select Histogram. After that, click OK. Excel will then automatically create the histogram for you. At this point, the main work is already done. Excel groups your score values into bins, which are simply value ranges. Then it creates bars that show how many data points fall into each range. This makes it much easier to identify patterns in your data, such as where most scores are concentrated or whether the values are spread out. If you're new to histograms, think of each bar as a count of how many numbers belong in a certain interval. That's what makes this chart especially helpful for analyzing test scores, survey results, measurements, or other numeric data sets. And that's it. Once the chart appears, you've successfully created a histogram in Microsoft Excel. From here, you can move the chart, resize it, or format it later if needed. But the essential process is simply opening your file, selecting the values, choosing Insert, going to Recommended Charts, switching to All Charts, selecting Histogram, and clicking OK. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to make a histogram in Microsoft Excel.